Welcome back. As search efforts continue in Kerr County, local leaders are facing tough questions tonight about when they knew and when. National Weather Service warnings went out hours before the floodwaters rose, but it's still unclear if county emergency systems were activated in time. Andrew Moore from our sister station in San Antonio has been digging through public records to find answers.
It was between 4 and 5 when I got notified. Okay, but prior to that, in that 3 to 4 area, my understanding is, and we're in the process of trying to put a timeline.
It's been asked several times now, but we still don't know what steps Kerr County was taking before the flooding started to hit on July 4th. The county does have an emergency management plan, which says the sheriff and the police chief are supposed to alert key officials of emergency situations, but the sheriff didn't know about this until after 4 a.m. The county also has a notification system, which it described in this video from 2017.
The Code Red system is an emergency notification system operated by Kerr County.
You will receive emergency warning calls on your landline or cell phone directly from the sheriff's office.
But it's not clear if those calls happened before the flooding either, which led to more questions today.
Almost 6 hours passes until 10 o'clock, when 10:04, when the code red is issued. How do you account for that?
That's going to be checked into at a later time. I wish I could tell you that time. I don't know that time.
Still, we do know that the National Weather Service sent out a bulletin at 1:14 a.m. that morning that said life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams. And at 4 a.m., the Weather Service said this is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. We don't know if the county set up an operations center before the flooding to use that information, but officials would not answer that question today.
All those questions will be answered, but the priority right now is bringing people home.
The Hill County flooding disaster will be one of the urgent topics covered in the Texas special session. Governor Greg Abbott says there needs to be better preparation for future flooding events. The special session, which starts in under 2 weeks, will include creating flood warning systems and strengthening emergency communications. It will also set aside relief funding for the Hill Country. Other agenda items include eliminating the STAR test and regulating hemp-based THC products. Brett.